Hi friends, I'm back with one more episode of helping you with your job search, with upskilling, and a lot more other things that are important to back the right kind of job. So today's topic I would be like to sharing with you is public speaking. My role of public relations, media relations is something that always compels me to connect with people from my field, people from different other fields, and I honestly have been a sucker for it because since childhood I have been into dancing, I have been into theater and many other aspects because my mom somehow encouraged me for this. So I think at a very nascent stage the fear of being on stage, speaking in public has somehow gone less, but I won't say that I am completely perfect or fine with it. The thing about public speaking is connecting with everyone. But the first tip I would like to say is that when you are speaking publicly, focus on one person. Feel that you are having a one-on-one interaction, which makes the communication much more personalized, makes you feel a little bit comfortable in that situation. And apart from that, practice makes it perfect. It's a cliche, I know, but you gotta do that. Here are my few tips for public speaking. Always prepare a script or a speech, write it down, practice it in front of mirror so that you are never nervous about facing anyone. If you can face yourself, trust me, you can face anyone in this world. Second thing is know about your topic. Do a proper sort of research. These days you have chat GPT, then there are so many things, and Google search is always there at the tip of your finger. So do that properly. My second tip would be, with whom you want to speak, who are your audience. Try to research a little bit about your audience. If it is a seminar with people from your industry or some other industry, or it is just something you're doing it for the community purpose, know your audience pretty well. The last but not least tip for public speaking would be always make sure that whenever you are speaking publicly, you are dressed for the occasion. Trust me, there is a saying that how you look, how you present attracts a lot of attention because of that. I know you have to speak material, but while you speak material, you should look perfect for the occasion. So go ahead and do it and try and let me know. Thank you.